Just wanted to share a couple of pretty inexpensive products but have proved to be very useful. If you work with any SMD, SMT devices, placement can be troublesome. So I've recently, well, the last few days, managed to get these Bernstein 505513 tweezers, and they have this, where the hell are they? They have these curved ends, and they are perfect for picking and placing very small devices. So I have also paired that up with this tiny PCB holder. Now I've just slung a PCB in there to show you. Adjustable here and here, they slide in and out. This slides up and down the rail, and then you press this bit up and then lock it up, and it's under spring tension, and it really holds that quite well. And if we go up to the scope picture, I'm just going to bring in the tweezers. I'm trying to do this filming with one hand and working with my left hand, which is not my good hand. Right, there you go. Hopefully there you can see the tweezers, perfect size for these surface mount devices. I've actually got a SOT 323 MOSFET just there, and as you can see, let me bring that out a bit, absolutely perfect size. They do this size in straight as well, but I've found the curved nature to be really good, and they are super fine, and they actually line up. If you get any of these cheap things from China, you've got absolutely no chance of the tips ever lining up like that. So yeah, very pleased with those there. So you can align with one hand and solder with the other, or hot air, whatever your chosen method is, but it works absolutely perfectly. And these components are pretty small on this board, but I can grab these chip capacitors off of there, or whatever I need to do. So yeah, I'll put the links to these. I think the circuit board holder came from Amazon, and the Bernsteins came from Farnell or RS, but as I say, I'll put the link on there. Very high quality, anti-static. Don't know where they're made, actually. I don't know whether it states on there. Anti-acid. Why would that be a problem? Yeah, no sign where they're made, but yeah, I highly recommend those if you're working with some surface mount stuff and you're finding it a little tricky.